Expensive energy is not what you wear, your handbag, your lifestyle, or your luxurious photos. It is an identity. This is why some women can dress simply and look timeless, while other women are decked out in luxury and designer brands and still look tacky. Today, I'm going to break down what expensive energy is, why looks alone won't save you, and how to become the kind of woman whose presence speaks before she does. Aesthetics is surface, identity is structure. You can copy looks, but you cannot copy standards. This is why aesthetic only glow ups do not last. Women upgrade their hair, makeup, lifestyle, but their nervous system, boundaries, and habits are still in hell. And eventually, the old patterns return. Expensive energy doesn't come from what you add, it comes from what you refuse. You refuse to rush, you refuse to abandon yourself, you refuse to over explain, you refuse to cower in terms of your confidence, and you refuse to apologize for taking up space. What actually is expensive energy? Expensive energy is calm standards, consistent maintenance, discernment over impulses, self-respect expressed daily, and being unavailable for depletion. It's not loud, it's not boisterous, it's not performative, and it doesn't seek approval and validation. Expensive women don't try to look expensive. They live in a way where they become incompatible with cheap. That's why they repeat outfits, move slower, and never chase trends or people. Their identity, their embodiment filters things out. So why does performance fail? Performance requires effort. Identity requires alignment. When you perform luxury, you burn out, but when you live from an expensive identity, you find alignment. This stabilizes you. Performance says, let me prove. Identity says, this is normal for me. And the body and your nervous system know the difference. Your nervous system cannot sustain performance for the long term, but it can hold an identity and embodiment effortlessly. This is why expensive energy feels calm, not rushed, not urgent, but calm in the body. An expensive identity looks like grooming as maintenance, not as a special event or occasion, making fewer decisions or choices, but better ones, choosing quality over convenience, taking care of yourself before collapse, letting things fall away without drama. This is not about perfection, it is about consistency. Expensive women don't wait for motivation, they move from standards. Knowing all of this, why do most women still struggle with it? Most women were taught to overgive, to self-sacrifice, to do without, to make do with what they have, and to feel guilty for wanting quality. So when they try to look expensive or embody an expensive identity, it's conflict with their conditioning. Identity work is what resolves that. You don't need more things or stuff, you need a different baseline. This is exactly what we practice in LAJA's soft living society. We don't practice aesthetics, trends, or performances. We practice identity. Inside my group or in my community, women are learning how to high maintenance by design, build standards that don't collapse, maintain their grooming, body, and nervous system, choose softness without losing self-respect, install expensive energy as a lifestyle. It's not about becoming someone new, but more about returning to your old self, the self that was forgotten and buried underneath all the conditioning and programming and limiting beliefs. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you to join. The link is in the bio and description and comment section. Expensive is not something you put on, it's something you become when your identity matches your standards. And once that happens, everything else follows. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you learned something new, leave a comment down below. Join LAJA Soft Living Society. There's a 7-day free trial, and you can peruse my courses and the community and see if it's the right fit for you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.